Hey everyone, UrbanEx Fans here. Today I'm going to be installing my first ODI decal on my Ebike conversion kit. So right here, as you guys can see, I've got my ODI decal. This is from One Wheel Decals on Etsy. I'll put it on the screen now if you'd like to go purchase it. But let's install it. Now this is probably one of the easiest mods and funnest mods you can do on your Ebike conversion kit. Obviously you can only install it if you have a plate. This ODI decal is for ODI plates only. There's also motor cuts plates, so there's decals for that one as well. But yeah, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need one of those. This will make it easier. It's kind of like a little squeegee tool just to get the air bubbles out. I've also got a wipe here to clean my plate and a dry cloth here to dry my plate. Alright guys, on the first real step, I'm going to clean this plate. So I'm going to grab my cloth and give it a nice good wipe. Alright guys, my ODI plate is nice and clean. Now we're going to unpeel the package of this sticker and stick it right on, using also this squeegee tool to get the air bubbles out. And oh my gosh everybody, that just looks so nice. Get a close up on that. Wow, nicely on there as well. And yeah, just that easy to make your front end look so much better. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and stay tuned for the rest of the build.